I was messing around with Lisa's computer this week and realized for whatever reason, I could not, on my Synology, and we have more things to say about Synology today, on my Synology, I could not set a quota on the volume for her Time Machine backups, nor could I set a quota on her user account for these Time Machine backups. And I have some theories as to why I rolled this volume back from a newer unit, and I think I got myself in a coffin corner of sorts where both things are sort of fighting with each other. But in any event, I'm like, well, wait a minute. macOS also now lets you set a quota for your Time Machine backups. And so I went in, and the smallest it would let me set for her was 2.5 terabytes, and she has about 800 gigs worth of storage on this, storage used on this particular computer. I'm like, 2.5 terabytes, that's more than I care to allocate to it. I don't feel like it's excessive, but it's more than I want. I want to do about 1.5. And so, but you can't change it once, and it wouldn't let me go lower than that on the user interface. So I got it all set up, and then I did some searching, and I found out that you can use from the terminal. There is a generic command that does everything with Time Machine from the terminal called TMUtil, and if there is a subcommand of it called setquota. And so I did. The first thing you have to do is TMUtil destination info, and I'll put all this in the show notes so that, and you get your disk ID from there, and then you use TMUtil setquota with the disk ID and how many gigabytes you want. So I set it to 1,500 gigabytes, and it worked. It gave me an error the first time because it was, I guess, still setting the volume up, saying you can't do this on network storage. You can only do it on local storage. But I tried it again later anyway, once all was said and done, and it absolutely let me do it, and it worked just fine. So the TMUtil command can take care of that for you with its setquota.